In this video, I'll detail how to change time on iWatch without iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and as well as an iWatch, but you want to change your iWatch time without using your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you don't know this video, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change time on iWatch without your iPhone, either you're using iWatch Series 9, Series 8XE or iWatch Ultra 2, then you can easily change your time on your Apple Watch without using your iPhone. Basically, when you want to set your time zone on Apple Watch, you need to use your iPhone because there is no feature to set time zone on Apple Watch. Now, to change time on your Apple Watch without your iPhone, you just need to do is press the 2 crown one to exit the watch face, then look at the settings. On the settings page, you just need to scroll down the page like this and click on the clock icon. Then scroll down until you see 0 minutes. Then if you see the current time on your Apple Watch, here I have 10:17. Then if you tap 0 minutes, you'll be able to set your time ahead of time on your Apple Watch without your iPhone. All the other is just use T2 crown, rotate it, and maybe you want to add extra 40 minutes to the current time on your Apple Watch. So if you want to set out in the next 1 hour, then your Apple Watch is going to tell you that you have just 20 minutes to set out, adding extra 40 minutes ahead of time when you want to go out. And you can also reduce it to 35:1, but the maximum you can go here is 59. So you can add almost 1 hour ahead of time on your Apple Watch when you want to change the time on your Apple Watch without having your iPhone. Then once you're done, go ahead and tap set. Then once you click on the set button, you see the time set to additional 59 minutes here as against the current time on my Apple Watch. Then I have 11:17 and then 10:18. However, this new time you set on your iWatch is going to reflect on the watch face like this. You see that? Then if you scroll down like this, you should see the current time on your Apple Watch, and with the time change on your Apple Watch, this is what we're going to have. For clarity, let's change this maybe to this. Then here you see we have 11:17. Then if you scroll up again, you can see the time is still 10:18. The essence of this is that it's going to let you set the time on your Apple Watch without your iPhone and set time ahead of the normal time you want to set out or jet out for the day. So this is how you can easily change time on iWatch without iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.